If you're looking for a home in Colorado, this might be the one for you. Today, we're skipping Broomfield and we're gonna be right here in Arvada. So Arvada is a sweet spot halfway between Boulder and Denver. So it's got great commute access. This particular one, located in Arvada, is right next to all your major transit systems. So no matter where you wanna go, this can be an easy hub for you to get anywhere. To get to the mountains, to Arvada's, I'd say you're looking at about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes of Boulder and about 20 minutes Arvada to Denver as well. In this video, we're gonna do a full property tour. There are three things that I'm gonna point out here that you cannot really see very well just from pictures online or a Google Earth kind of mapping. So make sure to stick around to the end because there's two things you absolutely need to know. One's in the backyard, one's downstairs in the basement. My name's Nick Ahrens with eXp. I've sold over 350 homes. I've been doing this over 15 years and I cannot wait to show you this property. Here it is, check the property out. First, we're gonna look all the way around us, do a good 360 as I'm walking up. You can see it's a relatively new build. It's got that feel, it's got those trees that are gonna fill in over the next 5-10 years. Brand new construction behind it right here in Arvada. And more new builds down there, but let's take a look. There's two things you absolutely need to watch. One's in the back, one is in the basement on this particular property. So it's got this cool little front porch here, but I'm too excited. Let's just jump right in. So when you walk in, I like this super wide hallway because you're able to still have some stuff here, a little seating area for your, take your shoes on and off, a closet here for throwing your clothes, all your shoes, all that stuff. But what makes this floor plan a little bit unique is right here you've got this first bedroom right next to a full bathroom where you've got some good distance between the home and the building across the street. Where a lot of new homes, there's almost no easement right here. There's almost no driveway, and then the homes across the street have almost no easement as well. This home has a really good distance, which I really like in this particular community of Arvada. It's not easy to find that unless you're in some of the older homes and older communities. Let's take a look at the bathroom, then we're gonna go down the hallway. I can't wait to show you the kitchen. The kitchen's awesome here. Pretty standard, new construction, kind of a feel to it. And let's back up this way. It's not brand new construction, but it is relatively new. So, office space, this is very typical of a lot of new builds in Colorado. You've got this office / dining area, whatever you want to make it. So a lot of people put the double doors on and give it that flexibility of however you'd like to have it. I'm gonna back up here. So to the left is going to be kitchen over here, dining and living. That's gonna be our primary. What's nice is having laundry upstairs. A lot of the older homes are gonna actually have laundry down in the basement here in Arvada and throughout Colorado. Broomfield, same thing. A lot of the older homes, they have that washer dryer down in the basement instead of on this main living level. Giant garage, love this garage. Nothing fancy. Does have your electric vehicle charger, which just about every newer home built from 2010 and newer is going to have. So anytime you see a box in the garage with a thing that looks like a handle, that's almost always going to be an electric car charger. So let's head back in. Like I said, that kitchen over here, cannot wait to show that to you. And kitchen's really cool, and I love this floor plan, the way it's designed, because it has an open feel to it. I love, one thing that's great about this open feel, and the way they set this up, is that pantry. It's in the corner, so it doesn't eat up tons of space that would have gotten used for countertops. And you've got this nice, good size corner pantry space here. But here's the other thing I really love about these, this type of floor plan is it's not one big, wide open, huge square of a room. It's sectioned off just a little bit from the living area. So living, dining, kitchen, all have enough space to where they feel connected. You feel that openness here, but also has a little bit of separation. Here, we're gonna come back left, and oh, that backyard is cool. But there is one thing I did want to show you, like I noted from the beginning, you have to note about this particular home in this community about that backyard. So when we get to down here, I'm gonna take a little turn here so you can get an idea of the rest of it. Again, the primary is here. We're gonna go backyard, primary, basement, that basement. 10 out of 10, thumbs up. It's an awesome spot to have. All right, let's go check out that backyard. So backyard space is decent. It's got a little cool porch here. But what I really wanted to show you beyond this, a decent size, definitely enough space to host. This property is really cool because it doesn't have anybody right next to it. It's got a trail that runs through the community down to these other trails that you can just take for miles and miles and miles. But see these here, those are power lines, high voltage lines. So it's illegal to put homes and buildings directly underneath them. That's why you typically see the walking paths kind of jig-jogging through those areas throughout all of Colorado. Some people, it's an eyesore. They just don't like it very much. And for some of the reasons as well, some people go, hey, I'd rather have that all day than that building right there, right against this property fence here. So it does add the additional privacy. It makes it a lot quieter because you don't have any homes here. However, you do have the power lines there. So just something to note for every and all home buyers. All right, let's go check out the primary. Then we're gonna check out that basement. That basement is awesome. So it's pretty cool the way to design this, because when you walk in from that balcony there, in the outdoors, you're not obstructing somebody who's working and cooking here, because you have enough space just at the side of this door here to where you can walk this way. And again, you're not interrupting somebody who's at the counter here, eating at the bar section, or using one of the workstations for the kitchen. Primary is nice. Let's check it out. Really high ceilings. I think we've got 9.5-foot ceilings in here. Again, nobody back there. I'll kind of walk up to it. It's a definitely nice feature to have, but some people are just simply not going to prefer it. This is a huge room, by the way. I would say this wall across, I mean, if you can have a king-size bed, a nightstand space, and space between that nightstand and a chair, we're probably looking at about 12, 13 feet or so. And then this way as well, I would say it's about 12 or 13 feet, except for that little cutout where the door is. I do like to have a door here. Some people don't like it, some people do, to be able to block off the rest of the bedroom for it. Again, they've done just a great job with the countertops. Countertops, backsplash, shower here, everything's just done well. Check out that shower. What do you guys think? Is that something that would be a nice to have or too much? What do you think? Drop a comment down below. A really big walk-in closet that goes all the way down, and look at this. If you're coming from back here, what's nice is you get out of the shower, you've got all your closet right here. So you don't have to walk through your room to get to a dresser, to get to a different section of the house, to be able to just get ready for work, get ready for the kids, get ready to go driving to school, whatever activities you're doing, you just jump in, jump out, you're on your way. All right, so now we're gonna hook a right. Here, I wanna give you this perspective again, but we're gonna hook a right and go down to the basement. Again, I just love this floor plan. It just feels open, and it feels very spacious for the actual square footage that this home has. So here, check this out down below. So as I'm going down below, guess the price. Guess the price, come on. If you guess the price, I'll give you a prize. Don't know what the prize is yet, but I'm gonna give you a prize. The cool thing about this basement is what's right behind me. I can see it, it's right at the side. We'll get there in just 1 second. But here, check this out. It's got fully dialed in basement with, again, a big bedroom. This is about, I would say 11 by 10. Nobody there. Big walk-in closet space. Bathroom here. Oh, you got a glimpse. Shower. This is like the absolute perfect home to have guests, is this exact floor plan, and here's why. It's not only the big living space, the full bathroom, the bedroom, but you've got a second living space and you've got a full kitchenette down here as well. So you can entertain down here, you can watch the game down here, you can entertain upstairs. If you have kids and want to send them on their way, just have them run amok downstairs, they can do that. Everyone's going to be taken care of upstairs and downstairs. And again, not having anybody that way and that way just allows a ton of natural light to come through this basement, which is hard to find in a lot of homes. Here, I'm gonna turn around so you can see the whole thing from this back corner here. Again, you'll see the deck that goes out the back from the kitchen right here down to that backyard space. And now we're gonna hook a left, and I'm gonna show you what's back here. So before I do that, check out how much storage, in addition to all this massive space down here, how much storage this home has. We've got a big closet down here, goes to the right under the stairs. I'm gonna back up. We're gonna hook a left because, I'll show ya. This here, not there, but here, is just a giant, giant space. So first we'll check out this bedroom first. Again, really big bedroom. I would say, again, about 11 by 10 or 10.5 by 10, right around there. Big walk-in closet. Behind me, that other door is just a sump pump. Nothing fancy, just, one of those things you should absolutely have here in Colorado. So check this out down here. So we saw the kitchenette space, no refrigerator. Well, they solved that by having it down here. This is just a huge space, like just unlimited storage down here. If I turn around, we're probably looking at, 18 to 20 feet wall to wall just this way. Side to side, we're looking at about probably 4 feet. And if we take a left, check this out, tons more storage as well. So if you ever see one of these, this is oftentimes going to be what's called a recirculator. So it's certain, you can actually set it for certain hours. I believe that's what this one is. You can set it for certain hours of the day. So when you turn on the shower, that hot water is circulating through the pipes, and you have hot water very quickly when you turn that shower on. So most people turn it on for certain hours of the day instead of all day. So they've got that ready to go. All right. So here's the home. We're gonna go walk back through it all the way through that front door again, just because, look at this. This is so awesome to have down here. I love the way they designed this floor plan. And again, a lot of the newer homes here in Colorado, Broomfield, Arvada, Boulder, Louisville, Superior, they have such great basement designs to allow a lot of flexibility for however people like to build them out. Hey, if you've gotten this far, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You owe that to me because you've been watching this so far. I've got a ton more of these coming as well. So make sure you like this, you comment. If you do leave a comment, I do respond to every single comment. So go ahead and do that. We'll take a look just outside so you can get an idea of how that community feels walking right outside the home as well. Here's that balcony once more. And it's really peaceful here. If you want more information on the community, schools, what's nearby, what's walkable from here, let me know. Shoot me an email. All my information's back in my bio. You made it this far, like and comment and subscribe. I've got a ton more property tours throughout Colorado, throughout Broomfield, Arvada, Lakewood, you name a city, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be doing property tours, comparisons city to city so you know where to move before you move, making your move way easier. Anyhow, again, my name is Nick Ahrens, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one.